What's up, guys? Welcome back. In today's video we are unboxing the redcat Ascent 18. Alright, let's get into it. So first thing, we got the front body panel. Here's the side, the back, all the colors you can get. I got the graphite. You can get red and blue also. Here's the top and the bottom. There's nothing on it. Alright, so you open it up. There's the car in there. Pull it out. Nothing else in the box. Okay, so first thing right here, the car's right here. I took this open. I opened it and undid the zip tie so it would be easier to get the car out. Here's the car. We'll come back to that in a second. We'll go through the box first. So let's see. Okay, so in the box you get it's a redcat remote. I'm not sure what kind. I'll put it up on screen what the specs are. Here is the instruction manual, stickers, charger, and body mounts. If you want to put like different body on it, that's an option. And then this isn't the full manual, it's just like a little QR code manual. So here, I'll show you. This is just quick start guide, just so you can get the car going. And then you scan that little QR code with your camera or whatever QR code scanner, and then it'll take you to the actual website. Alright, now the battery, I forgot to mention the remote needs 4 AA batteries for it to run. It does not come with the AA batteries. So the car, here it is. Let me adjust the camera. So here's the car. Looks like the big Ascent except smaller. To get the body open, there is a little clip thing there, and then in the front there's like a little hinge, so you pull the clip, and the back pulls up, and then push the body forward. Yeah, you push the body forward and then it comes off. It's a Lexan body. So in the car it comes with a 740 milliamp LiPo battery, which should be plenty for this car. It'll probably last like 30 minutes up to an hour, I would guess. It's just strapped in here by a little Velcro strap. There's the battery. Oh, it's 750 milliamp. The specs on this has 4 kg Metal Gear steering servo. It has Metal Gears throughout except in the transmission here, but they do sell an upgrade for that. It has portal axles, ball bearings all around throughout the whole car, plastic drive shafts. The the shocks are only half shock. The springs are only half springs, not the full thing, to match the big one. It is a 380 size brushed motor. I'm not sure what turn it is. It has, here's the ESC. It's 2S LiPo rated. You can probably change like this, the receiver and the battery area around a little. I've seen a few people do that so far. So you can move a little bit weight to the front, because I've seen a few people, the weight in this is like 50-50, which ain't bad, but it's not the best. But this thing, if it's anything like its big brother, it will be a beast. So the tires, there are foam inserts in them. I'm pretty sure this has 7mm hexes on it. So then you can change it with any like 18 scale crawler or some 24 scale tires and bead locks and all that. Alright, I think that's it for in here. Charge the battery, and then we'll take this thing for a rip. And one thing I want to mention about the remote quick, it has steering trim adjustments, throttle trim adjustments, steering, like how much you can turn it, cut off, steering reverse, and throttle reverse. Has pretty much anything you need just for normal. Has a nice carbon fiber look on it, which I kind of like. It seems pretty comfortable in the hand. Plastic grip, but not a big deal. Looks kind of like Alien-S, I don't know. All right, well, get the battery charged and take it outside. All right, this is the first try with the Ascent 18. Our TRX4Ms do not make it up this very easy. This is probably one of the hardest obstacles on the whole course. We'll see if this can make it up the first try. Okay, that's a little bit of driver's error. Let me try again. Oh yeah, right up, baby. Final thoughts on this, it is a little beast. It can crawl up a lot of lines that my TRX4M here, like when it was stock, and these are $150 compared to this is $99 on the initial release. But even at the 129 or 120 mark that it's going to be a major competitor, because this thing, it don't crawl too good out of the box. It crawls okay, but it's not like crazy crawling. And I got the Defender one, so that probably another reason. But it crawls pretty good now. But this thing is on a whole nother level compared to that out of the box performance-wise. Has Metal Gear servo, which the TRX4M did not come with. It this servo has been working. It's plenty power for it right now. Like on my T-Rex Ram, the servo, they're plastic gears, so they busted right away. So, but otherwise, there's not a lot to complain about this car. The only thing is I might like the speed controller. The ESC it is like very, very good, because if you had a lower gear reduction here, this thing would be a little crawling beast, because the low speed ain't crazy good, but it works pretty good. And it's not that big of a deal, really, for me anyway. As you can see here, the shocks are leaking a little bit, but I'll have to see a little longer to see if they really leak all the oil out. But the only other thing that is kind of not the best is maybe the tires, but you can upgrade them. Or I did see somebody said in a comment of somebody else's video that if you cut the tire like every other one, it does increase the grip a lot. So I might try that, but I am planning on buying some new different wheels and tires for this, B blocks and stuff. I really like the look of the body. It looks really nice, I think. Nice and light too, so you can crawl up steep things. It's just a little beast, and I haven't changed anything with it so far. So there's not really a lot that I don't like about it. It performs crazy well compared to this when it was bone stock. I really like this thing. I've been using it almost every day since I got it, and it rocks. I would recommend it. It's a really nice little budget crawler, especially if you get it right now for the $99 that it is. I'm not sure. I think that might last till May or April. I'm not sure, but that's a pretty dang good deal. So I think that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next.